Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video I thought I would share with you some great leg workouts. So what I like to do first is to stand nice and straight. As you can see, I'm not wearing any trainers because I'm inside. If you wear trainers, that's fine too, but if you're not, just make sure that your feet, your toes are nice and spread out so you've got maximum surface area on the floor. I'm placing my hand onto my tummy and I'm just gently breathing in for 3. And you want to hold this engagement the whole time you're doing the exercises. This also helps protect the back and also helps with that tummy as well. So I quite like a double bubble. Now, first of all, let's just lift up on our toes and come back down. This is a really great little exercise to do. Obviously, we don't do this very much. We tend to walk, but we don't actually lift, and we tend to forget about our toes. So just lifting up and down. And 2 more times, making sure that your back's nice and straight and your shoulders are nice and relaxed. And then just walk it out, lifting up and alternating. To just come forward with our toes and then come to the side. Come forward, come to the side, and let's do this 8 times. 5 more times. Now, if you do find balance difficult, you can always hold on to a wall, or you could hold on to a chair whilst doing this. Remembering to hold in that core as well. This will also help with your balance. And then coming back down, and let's go onto the other leg. Coming forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now let's do a great squat, which I love doing. So again, just want to place your legs out slightly and you want to just gently bend them, making sure your knees do not go over to your toes. And this will also help with the glutes as well as our thighs. So lifting up, squeeze, 2, do this 8 times, 3, remembering a nice straight back, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and shake it out. Now, the next exercise we're going to do is one of the best exercises. I think it's probably the best exercise you can do. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down and squat and come back up. You can place your hands out if you like, or onto your hips, whatever you find the easiest. While you're doing this, you also again want to keep a straight back. You don't want to be hunching over. So for our squat, coming forward, and 1, right, so let's get on with these squats then. So what we're going to do with the squats, I'll come to the side here, we'll come down for 1, 2, remembering to hold the core, 3, 4, 5, making sure that the knee doesn't go over the toes. And 1 last time, and shake it out. So now we're going to come forward with our leg, and if you like you can hold on to a chair or something, and we're just going to kick our leg out and come backwards. So kicking out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and then on the other side. So again, nice and straight, leaning forward if you like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8, and give it a little shake out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last time, 8. And then with the other leg forward to the side, 1, 2, 3. Remembering to hold that engagement, shoulders nice and relaxed. And the last time, and give it a little shake out. And then coming out a little bit more, bending down and coming up for 1, 2, 3, 4. Remembering to squeeze those glutes in at the top. 6, 7, 8. And then let's do the really good exercise here where we're just legs slightly apart, hip distance apart, coming down, a great squat, straight back, coming up for 1. Remember to squeeze the glute as you come back up. 3, 4, making sure your knees do not go over your toes. And 2 more. 1 and 2. And give it a little shake out. So let's go back to our beginning one here. So standing and just going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let's go to the back of the leg now. Placing onto something, hinging forward for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then on the other side. 1, 2. This is also great for the back of the thighs here and also the glutes. And shake it out. And now our last set. So again, standing, shoulders nice and relaxed, core engaged, and coming for 1, 2, 3. 6, 2 more to go, and onto the next foot, 3, 5, and again just 2 more to go, and shake it out. And then let's come down to our larger squat if you like, legs out, making sure we're coming down with no knees going over any toes at all, lifting up, coming down, 2, squeezing in that glute as you come up, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, 8. Shake it out if you need a little bit more time as well. And then standing nice and straight, feet hip width distance apart and coming forward for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just 3 more to go. And shake it out. And then our last exercise with the back of the legs here. So again, holding on to something if you like, lift coming backwards. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the last leg. Shoulders relaxed, core engaged for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So once we've done that, let's just slowly have a little bit of a cool down. So just placing your legs slightly apart, you just want to bend your leg to the side. So we're really stretching out the legs here. Just holding that position for a few seconds. And then coming up and then all the way across to the other leg. And then just very gently come up. And then let's just do one last stretch on the thighs. Obviously, if you want to, you can hold on to something for a bit more stability, but with one leg on the floor, lifting up gently and just placing it right in front, one knee with neck in parallel, in line with the other, and just holding this for a few seconds. Again, core engaged, shoulders nice and relaxed. And then just gently release, and then the other leg. This is actually a really great one, balancing as well, quite important. And just hold, and then just gently shake it out. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, found it useful. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content and a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.